In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the status of OpenAI services and what to do if you're experiencing issues. We all know how frustrating it can be when things aren't working as expected, especially when you rely on these services for important tasks. So let's walk through the process together. First things first, we'll start by visiting OpenAI's status page. You can access this by navigating to status.openai.com on your web browser. This page provides real-time updates on the status of OpenAI services. It's a great starting point because it will tell you if there's a known issue. When you get to the page, you'll want to look for the status indicator. If the status says identified, this means that OpenAI is already aware of the outage and their team is actively working on a fix. In this situation, the issue lies with OpenAI's end, not yours, so there's no need to try complex troubleshooting on your part. Patience is key here. All you have to do is wait for the engineers to resolve the problem. Keeping an eye on updates on this page will also give you an idea of how long the process might take and any progress being made. Next, let's try refreshing and retrying. Sometimes a simple refresh can solve many issues. If you're on a Windows machine, you'll want to press Ctrl plus F5 to perform a hard refresh. This is similar on a Mac, where you'll press CMD plus Shift plus R. What a hard refresh does is reloads the page by bypassing the cache, ensuring that you're getting the most up-to-date version of the page, which can sometimes fix minor glitches. Once you've done that, try logging out and logging back in at chat.openai.com. A fresh session can help in resetting any temporary hiccups you might be experiencing with the service. If the problem persists, we move on to clearing your browser cache and cookies. Over time, browsers store information from websites you visit to improve load times and efficiency. However, these stored sessions can sometimes become a problem, particularly if they're broken or outdated. Clearing your cache and cookies is like giving your browser a clean slate. Once you've done this, return to OpenAI and see if this resolves your issue. These steps should cover most of the common issues you might encounter, allowing you to access OpenAI services smoothly. If after all these efforts you're still facing problems, it might be time to reach out directly to OpenAI for support or check community forums where you can find shared experiences from other users. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in resolving any roadblocks you might face with OpenAI services.